Hi guys, welcome to my channel Indian and so today's video I'll be giving an update on our Weaver Ant colony, the Emerald Empire. Now this is actually a month and 1.2 months old colony because last week when we got her first workers it was really an amazing moment. The queen actually had about 4 workers which are really young and now she has more than 4 workers. These ants are just growing really fast. Now you can see I've actually moved them into a cup setup because test tube setup, not cup setup. I'm really sorry. Because the cup was actually getting to mold because they made a bathroom side. The cup was really spacey. This is the problem. Why you should move your hands into a big space really early. So a tube is actually really better than a cup. These ants are actually liking it. You can see the test tube has a kind of moisture gradient here. That means you see these weaver ants are living in really low moisture conditions. Yes, they may. If they want, they can move here. They set up exactly in the middle because they need humidity. Now, the queen has never eaten a protein meal, right? So there are no batch of eggs. So now I'm going to give a small not cricket. It's actually a grasshopper. Okay. Okay, I placed it in. Now let's see what they do. A worker comes. She smells it. She smells it. Yes, she smells it. She's actually smelling with her antennae. Yep. But she hesitates. She keeps coming and smelling. So this is actually I caught it fresh. I killed it humanly by keeping it in the freezer. Oh, the queen sees the cricket. She seems to be really excited. The part is why queen is so excited and the workers is because she's actually big. So she doesn't need to worry about herself. While the workers are really young and small, kind of the noobs. Okay, 3 workers are actually smelling it. The queen is starting to show the signs of excitement. She seems to be really excited because it's going to be her first taste of meat. But I don't know why the ants not eating it. Okay, you can see this worker is actually his mandibles are open, right? It actually sees me. See, and these weaver ants, like most arboreal ants, have really good eyesight. They can track motion from up to 20 to 30 centimeters away, whereas other ants cannot even track your motion from 5 centimeters away. So these ants are amazing. The workers keep senses. She keeps smelling with her antennae. I think the prey is getting hard for them. Okay, let me cut them up. Okay, I cut them up. And instantly the pieces fell right to the queen and she's actually eating it. See, weaver ants actually suck the moisture out of their prey to keep it fresh so that they can feed it at any time. So I believe this should house them for a while. But again, these ants grow fast. I cannot wait for the new batch of eggs. Why I'm excited? Because they these next generation of workers will be far more bigger and stronger than these Niantics. Okay, they actually come to the size of the queen. No, they're not called majors. Majors means they have a bigger head, like a body proportion. Everything is same compared to the smaller ant, but we call majors which have a bigger body size. Means like the head or the abdomen is bigger than the normal workers. So we call them as majors. Weaver ants, the bigger workers have everything same. This the size is different, so we don't call them as majors. You can see the queen is actually trying to rip it apart so it can get inside. You can see the brood right there, pupae, larvae, but no eggs. Yes, no eggs. Now she's actually looking at a piece which can be easily torn apart so the workers can get inside. And these ants actually have repletes. You cannot see them because most of the workers are repletes here. Means they store food in their abdomens. You'll see when the colony gets a little more bigger. So my plans on this colony is I think I will release them back. I will try Keeping them, some experiments I'm trying to do by keeping them for as long as I can. But when they reach a size, when they will surely need a plant. So that time I have a plant, so I'll have to actually release them. Sorry guys, but surely I'll keep them back. I'll keep you updated on this colony, even in the wild as well. It's for their own good. Okay, guys. Yes, I'm not able to handle them because very few people can keep viverins. They're really, really hard species to keep. I will try the tubs and tube method. I'll try many more things, but I still again 50-50 chance of keeping them with us. And yeah, this was what I wanted to tell. But I think this colony will be with me for about 2 to 3 years. I will actually control the colony population. So it stays about a constant 200 or 100 workers. So I think that will be more than manageable size. If you guys think it's cruel, no, it's not cruel. I'll talk about this in another video because the video is coming to an end. This is Indian Ants with the Emerald Empire. Peace out.